Next, if a cos theta plus b sin theta equals to m, a sin theta minus b cos theta equals to n, then a square plus b square equals to, here perform a cos theta plus b sin theta the whole square. So it will give a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So a square cos square theta plus 2ab cos theta sin theta plus b sin square theta equals to m square. Equation number 1. Now similarly the second one, a sin theta minus b cos theta the whole square equals to n square. So it becomes a square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta plus b square sin cos square theta equals to n square. Equation number 2. Now add 1 and 2. You get, see here, 2ab cos theta sin theta gets cancelled. So what remains? A square and cos square theta plus sin square theta, 1. So a square and b square over here. So a square plus b square equals to m square plus n square, right? This m square, this n square. So that is the required answer. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sync behind those videos on a daily basis and you learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.